Hey, Bruce Nadler for Tech, and we are looking at the best-selling PC gaming mechanical keyboard on the date of this recording on Amazon.com. And all opinions are my own. I paid for this with my own funds, and no one's reviewed this video prior to posting. Why am I looking at this keyboard? Well, it has over 851 reviews on Amazon with an average rating of 4.5 stars. And at least 88% of the reviews are 4 stars or greater. So this definitely warrants a quick overview of this keyboard. It sells for under 30 bucks. My Amazon affiliate link is down below if you're interested. And let's get into just some of the things that makes this a very good keyboard for the price. So let's get into some of the specs of this keyboard. So it's 16 inches in width by 2.5 inches in maximum height and 7.2 inches in width. 87 keys. It is a fairly small form factor. And these are the Otomu blue switches. Now, Otomu makes basically Cherry MX clones, but these have been tested for 50 million key clicks. So nothing to worry about as far as durability of these keys. The keyboard also features N-key rollover. It means you should be able to press every single key and it all registers at the same time. Not that I really know anybody that would do that. Normally, 6-key rollover would be more than enough for your average gamer. The keys are all of a higher quality ABS plastic. It features drain holes on the bottom of the keyboard. We'll see those in just a moment in case you spill a beverage on it. And the keys are cascading, so it has somewhat of a ergonomic layout to it as far as comfort for your wrists and so forth. When you unbox the keyboard, which comes in a very simple white little box, you're going to get the keyboard itself, a keycap puller, and a user manual. That's it. It's going to be a very bare bones, but they're trying to save money by putting the fancy packaging. Spend that money on your good solid little gaming keyboard. The USB cable is not braided. It is just your basic kind of rubber. And then you have just a simple USB connector on there. Nothing fancy, but should still do the job. On the back of the keyboard, we have the 3 drain holes that I mentioned before. You also have these rubber legs on there for stability, anti-slipping of the keyboard. Again, nothing fancy, but decent quality construction overall. Mostly ABS plastic. There is a little bit of metal on here, but it's mostly a all plastic keyboard. Now, seeing how these are Otomu blue switches, are going to be pretty clacky. Let's give it a listen. So this is not going to be a keyboard for a quiet environment. So with these Otomu blue switches that's been tested for 50 million clicks up, they're going to hold up for you. It's got a nice price at under $30. You get your keycap puller, 12-month warranty, pretty good value. So those are some nice pros to it. Any cons on this keyboard? Well, if you're in a quiet environment, it's certainly going to be super loud. Probably wouldn't want that. There's no backlighting on the keyboard. That doesn't come with it. There's been a few complaints of some premature failures of the keyboards and dead switches, but again, with so many ratings of 851 or more, all with an average rating 4.5 stars, those are probably just an occasional fluke that didn't make it out of manufacturing correctly. But it does look, if you look at the Amazon comments, that the seller is definitely trying to take care of their customers. So in the final analysis, I think for under $30, you can't go wrong with this keyboard. If you're looking for a nice, clicky, mechanical keyboard, I think you're going to be quite satisfied with your investment in this. Bruce Nadler for Tech. Until the next one.